My name is Faheem.
My name is Parag Rajda, and this 1949
Cadillac Series 62 Sedanette
is what drives me. This car marks the start of a beautiful journey for both of us. Hopefully, the start of AgRa collection, a collection of rare and beautiful cars that we can pass on to the next generation.
AgRa stands for me, Faheem Agboatwala, and
Me, Parag Rajda.
so this particular car was not like this when we got her. She's a complete ground-up restoration. She's almost in a scrap condition. She was located in New York and imported and completely restored by Marespand A Dadachanji, who's India's one of the finest car restorers that we have. And every single nut and bolt was open, and it was a complete ground-up restoration. She also participated in the Udaipur concours the same year, and she won second prize in her category.
Class, yes. Ground-up restoration to the extent that each of these emblems was once again hand-painted. The steering was recast in resin. So yeah, Marespand's done a fantastic job with this car, not just cosmetically but also mechanically.
Very true.
Everything has been restored perfectly.
And when he showed me the pictures of the car which he located in a scrapyard, I mean, it was unrecognizable because I had seen the finished result at his place, and I was really shocked that people could even attempt to do such a
Something
restoration.
like this. And what was amazing is the story of how we got it.
Oh yeah.
I remember I was in Bangalore at an exhibition, and we were at the stand, and you made a video call, and Shantanu and me were huddling behind the booth trying to see videos of the car, and I think it was an instant love at first sight. Is that correct?
Yeah, so it was. I always believe that a car should make you smile at it, and this car made me smile the moment I saw her. Parag was not even over there, and then we did a video call, and he said, if you like it, go ahead, and the rest is history.
Yes, and not just make us smile, but when you're out on the road, you realize how many people are smiling when they see the car.
Yeah, that's true. So I think when I saw her, the color at first sight, I did not really find that, flamboyance of what a Cadillac should have. I mean, she had all the chrome all over her, but still the color was something which didn't appeal to me at first sight.
But the appeal of that color is in its subtlety, isn't it?
Exactly. So that just grew on me as the days went by, and I just found that to have a period correct color. So this color is embossed inside. This is the exact same color that the car came out from the factory in. And then I started realizing how important it is to have period correctness in your car, at least a car of this standard.
I think for me, more than the color is the chrome. I think so much chrome, these beautiful steel sombreros on the diamond back radials, it's just so appealing.
That's true, yeah. Left-hand drive, a lot of people ask me whether left-hand drive is difficult to drive in the city, but having owned so many classic cars which are left-hand drive, I personally don't find any difficulty.
I think you maybe take first couple of minutes to get used to the idea of a left-hand drive, but other than that...
That's true, and anyway, because of the sheer size, you're anyway being careful.
Yeah.
And you're looking around left and right,
and I think unfortunately with the roads of Bombay, you're restricted to anyway early morning and late evening, so they're relatively emptier roads.
Yeah.
So it's not so bad.
That's true, yeah. But I must say the suspension of the car is so good. No wonder the people say that there's no suspension like the old Americans, because she just glides over all the undulations of Mumbai.
Absolutely, absolutely. And compared to the sports car that I'm more used to, this feels like you're on a cloud.
That's true, yeah. Another feature of the car which I really like is the swept back. The swooping back that she has, it looks so erotic and beautiful. And
also, do you know, this was the start of the fintail.
That's true. In 1948 is when they
correct
got it.
So this was first inspired by the P-38 Lightning Lockheed Martin,
That's true.
which was used extensively in World War II.
Yeah.
And this set off, I think, the most copied trend in automotive history till the 70s, where it just went overboard with these
ballistic,
crazy pintails on the American cars.
That's true.
There were actually 4 body styles that this came out with. Do you remember?
Yes, there was
The sedan,
the convertible,
the coupe de ville,
coupe de ville,
the convertible?
Yeah.
And the
this one. This is called the Sedanette because it's a 2-door fastback.
And also what they did in this is they actually shortened the wheelbase to 3200 mm
Yeah.
and made it about 2 inches wider.
That's true.
So have more comfort in the back seat. So
That's true. That's true. Yeah, and it's like a huge sofa. We can have 4 people sitting abreast in the front. I mean, even if you open the window on the other side.
just, the kill switch on the other side is a full effort to get there to do it.
I think these are the days when you must have a driver and a co-driver or a cleaner, as they call them in India, to maro a patka on the other side or open and close that switch.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Also, this car has a neat party trick. The fuel cap.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's actually in the tail light.
That's right.
And that's something that always fascinates these guys at the petrol pump.
That's true.
Because they're first walking around konsa side pe lagane ka hai, till you don't get off and open the tail light for them.
I think the smoothness of an American V8 is just unparalleled. I mean, sometimes you don't even know whether she's running or she's idling or she's completely shut off.
True.
It's so smooth. And I'm really thankful to Marespand for making her in this way so drivable. So she's just not a show car, but you can actually drive her on the street. She doesn't overheat. The huge size doesn't affect us because now we're used to it. And it's a great journey, I think.
And also, generally, when you're out with a car like that, others are more conscious.
That's true. People are accommodating,
Yes.
and they're always smiling and happy to help you out.
It's also amazing to see the reaction of the cops
Yeah,
who are always waving you through.
that's true.
Just so it's amazing how much impact a car on the street can have on people around.
That's true. That's true.